Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to prepare iceberg lettuce for burgers. First, choose a firm, compact head of iceberg lettuce with vibrant green outer leaves. Avoid any with brown spots or wilting. Next, gently peel away and discard any bruised or discolored outer leaves. Finally, core the lettuce by striking the stem end firmly on a cutting board, then twisting and pulling out the core. This makes the next steps much easier. Now, let's get that lettuce sparkling clean. After coring, you can either separate the individual leaves or cut the head into quarters. Place the lettuce under cool, running water, ensuring all surfaces are rinsed thoroughly to remove any dirt or grit. For an extra clean, you might soak the leaves in a large bowl of cold water for about 5 minutes, gently swishing them around. This helps dislodge any stubborn particles. Drying your lettuce properly is crucial for a crisp burger. The best method is using a salad spinner. It quickly removes most of the water. If you don't have one, lay the leaves on a clean kitchen towel or several sheets of paper towels. Gently pat them dry, turning them over to get both sides. Make sure the lettuce is completely dry. Any lingering moisture will make your burger buns soggy, which we definitely want to avoid. Finally, let's get your lettuce ready for those delicious burgers. You can shred the lettuce into thin strips, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch wide, which is perfect for even distribution. Or, if you prefer, chop it into bite-sized pieces. Once cut, if you're not using it immediately, store the prepared lettuce in an airtight container lined with a paper towel in the refrigerator. This keeps it fresh and crisp for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.